Hello, my name is Jane. Hello, my name is Jane. Hi, I'm Jane. Hi, I'm Jane. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. It's great to meet you. It's great to meet you. I'm happy to meet you. I'm happy to meet you. I'm Jane. It's nice to meet you. I'm Jane. It's nice to meet you. I'm new here. I'm new here. I just arrived today. I just arrived today. I'm here for the first time. I'm here for the first time. I'm visiting from out of town. I'm visiting from out of town. I'm here for an appointment. I'm here for an appointment. I'm here for the interview. I'm here for the interview. I'm the new employee. I'm the new employee. I'm the new student. I'm the new student. I'm the parent of a student here. I'm the parent of a student here. I'm here to ask a few questions. I'm here to ask a few questions. I'm here to get some information. I'm here to get some information. I'm here to check in. I'm here to check in. I'm here to check out. I'm here to check out. I'm here to pick something up. I'm here to pick something up. I'm here to drop something off. I'm here to drop something off. I'm filling in for someone today. I'm filling in for someone today. I'm working with the team today. I'm working with the team today. I'm here for training. I'm here for training. I'm here for my first day. I'm here for my first day. I'm here to meet with you. I'm here to meet with you. I'm here to help with the project. I'm here to help with the project. I'm here to learn more about the job. I'm here to learn more about the job. I'm here to speak with the manager. I'm here to speak with the manager. I'm here to speak with the teacher. I'm here to speak with the teacher. I'm here for my reservation. I'm here for my reservation. I'm here for my appointment time. I'm here for my appointment time. I'm here to follow up. I'm here to follow up. I'm here to check the status of something. I'm here to check the status of something. I'm here to introduce myself. I'm here to introduce myself. I wanted to introduce myself. I wanted to introduce myself. I'm Jane and I'm excited to be here. I'm Jane and I'm excited to be here. I'm Jane and I'll be working with you. I'm Jane and I'll be working with you. I'm Jane and I'm joining the team today. I'm Jane and I'm joining the team today. I'm Jane and I'm here to help. I'm Jane and I'm here to help. I'm Jane and I'm here for support. I'm Jane and I'm here for support. I'm Jane and I'm here to learn. I'm Jane and I'm here to learn. I'm Jane and I'm here to observe today. I'm Jane and I'm here to observe today. I'm Jane and I'm here for orientation. I'm Jane and I'm here for orientation. I'm Jane and I'm here to meet the team. I'm Jane and I'm here to meet the team. I'm Jane and I'm here to get started. I'm Jane and I'm here to get started. I'm Jane and I'm looking forward to working with you. I'm Jane and I'm looking forward to working with you. I'm Jane and I'm happy to be here. I'm Jane and I'm happy to be here.